Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create parents conference sign up sheets on Google Drive. So in here, I've already opened my Google Drive. So if you want to create the sheets for parents conference sign up, you can easily share it with other parents or teachers. Here's how you can do it. First, you can just click on the new button in here on your drive, and then click on Google Sheets to create a new sheets, and then you can just create your sheets in here. So as you guys can see here, the Google Sheet is basically the same with Excel, Microsoft Excel. There are file, edit, view, insert, format, and here there's the toolbar that you can use to create the sheets. Okay, here I've already created the parents conference sign up, and what you need to do if you want to share with the other parents or teacher, you can just click on the share buttons at the top, and here you can specifically add a certain persons into this Google Sheets, or you can also just change the general access with to anyone with the link. And after this, you can just copy the link and then paste it or share it with other parents and also teachers. And after that, you are done, so they can have access or they can open this file, the parent conference sign up with you. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the